When something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor. Elon Musk, born on June 28, 1971. Born to a Canadian mother and South African father, Musk was born and raised in Pretoria, South Africa. He briefly attended the University of Pretoria before moving to Canada. When he was 17, to attend Queen's University. He transferred to the University of Pennsylvania 2 years later, where he received a bachelor's degree in economics from the Wharton School and a bachelor's degree in physics from the College of Science and Arts. He moved to California in 1995 to begin a PhD in applied physics and material sciences at Stanford University, but decided to pursue a career in business instead of enrolling. He subsequently co-founded Zip2 is a web software company and acquired by Compaq for $340 million in 1999. Musk then founded X.com, an online bank. It merged with Confinity in 2000, which had launched PayPal the previous year and was subsequently bought by eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002. In May 2002, Musk founded SpaceX, an aerospace manufacturer and space transport services company, of which he is CEO and lead designer. He joined Tesla Motors, now Tesla, an electric vehicle manufacturer in 2004. The year after it was founded and became its CEO and product architect. In 2006, he helped create SolarCity. In 2015, Musk co-founded OpenAI, a non-profit research company that aims to promote friendly artificial intelligence. In July 2016, he founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology company focused on developing brain-computer interfaces. In December 2016, Musk founded The Boring Company, an infrastructure and tunnel construction company focused on tunnel optimized for electric vehicles. He is the longest tenured CEO of any automotive manufacturer globally. His net worth is $41.5 billion. His goals include reducing global warming through sustainable energy production and consumption, and lessening the risk of human extinction by establishing a human colony on Mars. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notification of the coming videos.